Prepare to be blown away by the jaw-dropping footage we have in store. From the mightiest forestry machines ever built to fearless drivers showcasing unmatched skill. This is a showcase of raw power and precision you won't want to miss. Ready, go! It's a breathtaking sight to behold, a vast logging operation stretching as far as the eye can see. Massive harvesters, each a marvel of modern engineering, operate tirelessly with incredible efficiency. From dawn till dusk, and even through the night, these machines continue their relentless work, regardless of the season or weather conditions. Each towering tree is felled in mere seconds, as the precision and power of these machines transform dense forests into neatly stacked logs with astonishing speed. The rhythm of their operations never falters. Summer heat, winter snow, rain or shine, the harvesters press on. Every moment in this sprawling operation showcases the scale and power of modern forestry, where nature meets the cutting edge of technology. Pro TL 775D, often dubbed the triple cutting monster, takes on massive timber with ease and efficiency. Its powerful hydraulic system and cutting-edge technology allow it to make swift, precise cuts, tackling even the thickest trees without hesitation. This beast of a machine handles challenging tasks like a pro, turning dense forests into manageable loads in no time, showcasing both its brute strength and precision cutting capabilities. An awe-inspiring sight as the overloaded truck conquers the steep, muddy hill, showcasing its undeniable strength. The driver's expertise and the truck's power work in harmony to tackle the treacherous conditions. Despite the challenge of the thick, muddy terrain, the overloaded truck relentlessly powers through the slope with its robust engine. The determination of both the machine and the driver is clear in every turn of the wheels. When the mud becomes too overwhelming, a tractor is called in for assistance, pulling the overloaded truck carrying a massive load of timber up the slope. Together, they manage to haul an incredible weight, a testament to teamwork between machines. Nothing can stand in the way of this truck's raw strength. Its resilience and unwavering performance under extreme conditions are truly impressive, proving it can handle the toughest jobs. Only the bravest drivers dare to tackle such a treacherous, mud-filled road. Calm and experienced, the driver skillfully maneuvers the oversized truck through the challenging path, showing remarkable control and focus. Faced with an almost unthinkable layer of thick mud, the driver remains calm and determined, expertly steering the massive truck through the treacherous road. His courage and driving skill are on full display, showing just what it takes to master such a vehicle. No. This is undoubtedly one of the bravest drivers I've ever seen. With years of experience under his belt, he manages to keep the overloaded truck moving forward even in the harshest conditions, a feat not many could achieve. Confronted with an unimaginable sea of thick mud, the driver stays composed and focused, skillfully navigating the massive truck through the perilous terrain. His bravery and expertise shine through, demonstrating the precision and mastery required to handle such a beast of a machine. The WC2500TX whole tree chipper is built to handle full-size trees with ease, transforming them into uniform wood chips in no time. With its compact yet powerful design, this machine is perfect for demanding forestry operations. Equipped with a robust engine and innovative features, the WC2500TX can navigate tough terrains while maintaining high productivity. Whether you're clearing land or processing timber, this whole tree chipper is a beast in the field, ensuring efficiency and reliability in even the most challenging environments. The Vermeer WC2300XL whole tree chipper is engineered for tackling large-scale forestry projects, efficiently converting full trees into high-quality wood chips. Powered by a robust engine and advanced feed system, it delivers consistent, powerful chipping performance. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability and reliability, even under the toughest conditions, while its mobility allows it to navigate challenging terrains with ease. Whether you're clearing land or managing timber, the WC2300XL is a powerhouse that guarantees fast, efficient processing of trees, optimizing productivity on the job site. The PTH 1400/820ths. All-Road, a self-propelled drum wood chipper from Petzolato, is a true powerhouse in the forestry world. Driven by a Scania DC-13 engine delivering 550 horsepower, this machine is designed to handle the toughest wood chipping jobs with remarkable efficiency. Its robust design and powerful engine make it capable of tackling large volumes of timber, ensuring fast and effective processing even in challenging terrains. Whether on-road or off-road, this chipper brings high performance and reliability to the task, showcasing the cutting edge of modern forestry technology.